Want players to level up in your Roblox game? Here's how to add an XP and level systems fast. Add XP and level values in server script service, insert a script and add this. This setups the values. Add XP gain function. Now, let's make XP increase when doing something like killing an enemy. You can call this function when a task is completed. Example trigger. For example, when a player touches a part, you can use this script. Customize it however you like. And done! Players now gain XP and level up dynamically. Subscribe for tutorials on adding XP bars, skills, and level rewards next. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments. See you on the next video.